Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Srachi Greenwood Nest at Newtown Action Area 1, just beside Newtown main bus stand. And you can see this is a 3 BHK with 3 toilets apartment. And this is the first room. This is a puja room. So as per Vastu, this is the puja room. And now we are moving towards the living cum dining space. And just to mention you that this is the premium segment 3 BHK apartment in Newtown with excellently connected, and location is premium location. And you can see this is the living space, and this side this is the dining space. It's a extravagant living cum dining space. The approximate area of this apartment is 1415 square feet, and you can see this is the dining hall, and the size of this living cum dining is approximately 35 feet by 12 feet. If you take it in L pattern, then it will come around 40 feet by 12 feet. It's a huge size of living cum dining. And now come inside. So we are going towards the dining hall, and you can see this is the dressing area, excellently crafted. And there is another space, it's the entry lobby space. And now we are going towards the first bedroom. So come inside. So this is the first bedroom along with a western commode attached with it. And see the bedroom space. The space of this bedroom is approximately 12 feet by 12 feet, almost a square shaped bedroom. And this side, this will be the balcony space. The space of this balcony is around 12 feet by 4 feet. It's a beautiful bedroom along with this attached toilet space. Let's see the attached toilet. This is the basin area, wall mount commode space, and separate space for bath. As it's a premium segment, you can see the tile selection. These are the Italian finish marble vitrified tiles. And now come outside again and see the living space. So this is the living space, excellently crafted. And now come inside. So now we are going towards the kitchen space. So this side is the kitchen space. It's a lavish kitchen. Beautifully crafted kitchen. The size of this kitchen is approximately 8 feet by 7 feet, almost a square shaped kitchen with excellent tile selection. And the chimney hub. This side you will be having a stainless sink space and a window with exhaust points. And this side you will have a service balcony. So this is the service balcony space. So see the kitchen again, and this side a separate space for refrigerator. And now again come outside. So come towards the second bedroom. So we are moving towards the second bedroom. So see the space of this second bedroom. It's a very large second bedroom along with 2 windows, 1 wardrobe space. And the size of this second bedroom is approximately 14 feet long by 13 feet in breadth. And not only that, this bedroom is having a running wardrobe space. This is the wardrobe space, and the size of this wardrobe is approximately 3.5 feet into 2 feet in breadth. And with this beautiful windows, and here you will also have a space for your study table. So you can decorate according to your choice. We have decorated this bedroom as your kids room, so as per your choice you can decorate your apartment. And this is a running wardrobe space designed as a library for study, and this is a very big size mirror. And now come outside. So this side you will be having your common washroom space just behind the sitting area. So come into the washroom space. It's a luxurious washroom space, and see the space. Beautiful washroom space with Italian marble finish, along with separate space for bath, a wall mount commode space, and with this beautiful basin area. All fittings will be A1 class, luxury class fittings will be given. And just opposite to this common washroom, this is the third bedroom. So come inside the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom. A dressing area, a king size bed, a TV unit space. You can decorate your TV unit over here. And this is a running wardrobe space again. The size of this wardrobe is approximately 3.5 feet into 2 feet in depth, and both the side you will be having windows, French style windows. And see the view of this bedroom from this angle. It's a luxurious bedroom. The size of this bedroom is approximately 14 feet by 14 feet, almost a square shaped bedroom. And not only that, this bedroom is also having another washroom space. So this is the washroom space, a basin area, and a separate space for wall mount commode and a shower space, smartly separated. So thanks a lot for watching this video. So if you are interested about this property, then please call us as early as possible, because we are left with very few good options right now. And not only that, we are offering some great discounts for very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates. Hope you like this video. Thanks a lot.